Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the basics of SQL with a focus on select queries in Microsoft Access. This is one of the fundamental skills you'll need to effectively retrieve data from your tables. Let's get started. So, what is a select query? A select query is used to fetch data from one or more tables in a database. It allows you to specify exactly which columns and rows you want to retrieve, giving you control over the data you work with. The basic syntax of a select query looks like this. Select column 1, column 2 from table name. Here's what each part means. Select, this keyword indicates that you want to retrieve data. Column 1, column 2, these are the specific columns you want to fetch. From table name, this specifies the table from which to retrieve the data. Let's write a simple select query together. Suppose we have a table named customers with columns for ID, first name, and last name. If we want to fetch the first and last names of all customers, we would write select first name, last name from customers. Once you run this query, Access will display the results in a datasheet view, showing only the specified columns. Now, let's enhance our query using the where clause. This allows us to filter results based on specific conditions. For example, if we only want to see customers with the last name Smith, we'd write select first name, last name from customers where last name equals Smith. This way, you can fetch only the data that meets your criteria, making your queries much more powerful. And that's it for basic select queries in Microsoft Access. Mastering this skill will help you retrieve the data you need quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Access SQL tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.